Okay. Today we are starting the topic called promotion in integrated marketing communication. And last class we have discussed the direct marketing strategies and what are the advantages and disadvantages. Uh, what is promotion? You have studied this as a marketing mix, 4 Ps. Okay, this plays an important role. Promotion. What exactly promotion? It's type of marketing communication used to inform target audience of the relative merits of a product, service, brand, or issue, and most of the time, persuasive in nature. You are persuading the people that you have this type of products or services with us, and you are communicating here, and the communication happens with the target audience. And we have seen how the targeting segmenting is done in our earlier classes. Okay, and it talks about all the attributes the product has, the services has, and what is the brand. Okay, and promotion helps you are branding the product. So it helps marketers to create a distinctive place in customers mind. It can be either cognitive or emotional route you can use. And we have already studied the tri-component model of attitude, how tri-components works. Okay, especially in consumer behavior. The aim of promotion is to increase awareness, create interest in the people, generate sale, or create a brand loyalty. Depends on the objective. It is one of the basic element of the marketing mix, which includes of the 4 Ps. So that is product, price, and promotion. Now, promotion is also one of the element in the promotional mix or promotional plan whenever the advertiser are going for. And here they go for personal selling, advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing publicity, word of mouth communication, and may also include event marketing, exhibitions, and trade shows. So these are all aspect of the promotions when you are going for. And a promotional plan specifies how much attention to pay each of the elements in the promotional mix. Okay, and what promotion of the budget should be allocated to each element of the promotion which has been decided. It helps marketers to create a distinctive place in customers mind. Okay, it can be either a cognitive or emotional route that we have already seen it. Now the definition according to the Kotler, promotion include all the activities the company undertakes to communicate and promote its products to the target market as per the Philip Kotler. So most important part of any promotion activities is communication, that you have this and this product, this and this services, and for these type of customers. Stanton says promotion is the element of an organization's marketing mix that serves to inform the people, persuade them, and remind the market of the organization or its product. So these are the two definitions of the promotion. Now, what are the importance of promotions? First is motivates agencies. So it offers the opportunity to motivate agencies. The combined thinking of the team is better than the sum of the part. So obviously, there are huge agencies where the promotion always helps to motivate them that will push the market for the sales. Second is participation. Everyone owns the final plan, having worked together on the brainstorming and implementation, avoiding any internal politics. Likely, this can overcome the diverse nature of individual departments, that is, fighting their own corner. So, promotion plays an important role as a participation. Measurability. So, significant benefit it is. So, it delivers better measurability of response and accountability for the communications program. So you can measure how your promotional activity is working in terms of the sales happens and number of footfalls you can say, and the conversion rates. Interaction, obviously, promotion secures better communication between agency and creates a strong bond between them and the client company. By providing more open flow information, it empowers the participants in the communication program to concentrate on the key areas strategic development rather than pursue individual and separate agendas. So a client is it's comes in the part of the whom the organization working for. But the main thing is here the customer will be interacted more with the company organization. Consistency of message delivery. So promotion helps holistic manner. If approach, the companies can empower that all components of the communication program deliver the same message to the target audience, to whoever we are targeting exactly. Client relationship for agency, it issues the opportunity to play significantly more important role in the development of the communication program and to become more effective partner in the relationship. For example, if you say, if you are having a distributorship or sub dealer also, so the company does the organization, that is okay, but the role is also played by the distributor and sub dealer also, because they have to market at the ground level. So they also play an important role whenever promotions are happening. Next is corporate cohesion. So promotion can be used as strategic tool in communicating a company's corporate image, and you can develop a branding, product and service benefits. You can communicate to the customers, and this has important consequence both on internal and external level also. So if you see how it actually benefits the organization, attention value useful in new product launch and synergy in total promotional efforts. So attention value we call ADA concept. For example, if you see buy one get one free offers, draw the attention of the customer whenever you're doing the promotional activity. And a new product launch, offers given by Reliance at the time of launch of Jio. Okay, free of cost, 3 months free services, 1 year free services, free setup box, just charge. You can recharge it whenever you want. And the setup box, just pay for setup box. You will get all the free internet new whenever they were launching. And next is the synergy in total promotional efforts. If you look at the example, sales promotion by Domino's, buy one get one free, helps to make TV advertisement hit, leading to more sales. So it is the synergy level where it working with the organization. So this is regarding the importance of promotions and what is promotions. If you have any questions, you can ask. Hina Kausar,
Present, sir.
Uzma Arbol,
Present, sir.
Harshan,
Present, sir.
Aslam,
Present, sir.
Bundenas,
Present, sir.
Deepa,
Yes, sir.
Paika,
Present, sir.
Lakshmi, Yasin,
Present, sir.
Minaz,
Present, sir.
Minaz,
Present, sir.
Shahid,
Present, sir.
Mohsin,
Present, sir.
Mustaqim, Nahid Afroz,
Present, sir.
Priyanka,
Present, sir.
Samrin,
Present, sir.
Sana,
Present, sir.
Josh, Sabira,
Present, sir.
Gupta,
Yes, sir.
Shaheen, Rakib Ali, Shaheen
Yes, sir.
Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Rakib Ali, your online attendance is less. I don't know whether you will qualify for I or don't. You will inform. And
Okay, sir.
Parvez sir will not allow you, I think, for internal examination.